When it comes to making your home more comfortable and cost-efficient, new window installation in Talladega can make all the difference. Many homeowners don't realize just how much energy is lost through old, drafty, or poorly installed windows. By upgrading to modern, energy-efficient windows, you not only reduce your utility bills but also create a healthier, more comfortable living environment for your family. Why energy efficiency matters in Talladega homes. Talladega experiences a wide range of weather conditions, from hot, humid summers to chilly winter nights. These shifts put extra strain on heating and cooling systems, which often work overtime to keep indoor temperatures stable. If your windows are outdated, cracked, or single-paned, they allow conditioned air to escape and outdoor air to creep in. This constant energy loss translates into higher monthly bills and increased wear and tear on your HVAC system. Investing in professional window installation is one of the most effective ways to keep your home energy efficient year-round. Benefits of modern energy-efficient windows: improved insulation. Today's replacement windows are designed with advanced insulating features, such as double or triple panes, low emissivity, low E coatings, and argon gas fills. These elements create a strong barrier against heat transfer, keeping your home cooler in summer and warmer in winter. Lower energy bills. The U.S. Department of Energy estimates that heat gain and loss through windows accounts for up to 30% of residential energy use. By sealing off leaks and reducing drafts, new windows cut down on wasted energy, leading to noticeable savings on your monthly utility costs. Greater indoor comfort. If certain rooms in your house are too hot or too cold, poorly insulated windows are often to blame. New window installations ensure a more balanced indoor climate, eliminating hot spots near windows in the summer and chilly drafts in the winter. UV protection. Low E coatings on modern windows help block harmful UV rays that can fade furniture, carpets, and curtains. This means your interior stays protected while still letting in plenty of natural light. Noise reduction. Energy-efficient windows also act as sound barriers. For Talladega residents living near busy roads or in lively neighborhoods, new windows can significantly reduce outside noise, creating a quieter home environment. The role of professional installation. Even the most advanced window will underperform if it isn't installed correctly. Professional window installation in Talladega ensures a perfect fit, proper sealing, and long-lasting results. Certified installers know how to handle the unique construction styles of local homes and ensure that each window is securely in place. This not only improves energy efficiency but also prevents moisture buildup, mold, and structural damage. Long-term value for homeowners. Window replacement is more than just an upgrade, it's an investment. Beyond energy savings, new windows boost your home's curb appeal and resale value. Buyers today are increasingly focused on energy efficiency, making this a smart selling point if you ever decide to move. Additionally, many energy-efficient window products qualify for rebates or tax incentives, further reducing the overall cost of installation. Choosing the right windows for Talladega. When selecting new windows, it's important to consider factors such as frame material, glass type, and overall design. Vinyl and fiberglass frames, for example, offer excellent durability and insulation. Double-pane windows with low E coatings are a popular choice for balancing performance and affordability. A professional consultation can help you determine which options best suit your home's style, budget, and energy goals. Final thoughts. Window installation in Talladega is one of the most effective ways to boost your home's energy efficiency. With improved insulation, reduced energy bills, enhanced comfort, and added home value, it's a project that pays off in multiple ways. By choosing professional installation and high-quality window products, Talladega homeowners can enjoy long-term savings and a more sustainable lifestyle. If you've been struggling with high energy costs or uncomfortable indoor temperatures, it may be time to consider upgrading your windows. The right installation could transform not just your home's appearance, but also its efficiency and comfort for years to come.